Buying an LED sign should be simple, but most buyers make mistakes that quietly destroy performance and ROI. Here are 7 mistakes that people make when buying an LED sign. Mistake 1 is choosing size instead of visibility. Pixel pitch and brightness matter more than total square footage. Mistake 2 is ignoring zoning rules until the very last minute. This mistake alone can delay the project by weeks. Mistake 3 is choosing the wrong brightness for traffic speed and sun exposure. If drivers can't read it, it doesn't work. Mistake 4 is overlooking cabinet construction. Moisture failures cause up to 40% of long-term breakdowns. Mistake 5 is assuming that all software is the same. Complicated systems mean fewer updates and less impact. Mistake 6 is not planning for future content. Businesses that update weekly see higher engagement and recall. Mistake 7, it's ignoring post-purchase support. Strong support can reduce downtime by up to 50%. The right LED sign isn't about price. It's about performance, reliability, and long-term ROI.